Hi, this is Om Dishwamagar. Today I am going to guide you how to remove a virus on your laptop and desktop PCs. Let's start. Just go to search and type run and type ws script xe, then select OK, then stop script after specified number of the second, then checkbox, then the apply, then OK. Then you have to select up, hit the control shift and X. It will show how many programs are running background in your laptops and desktop computers. You can see here. Now only one running, just leave it. Then open your this PC and open the C drive, Windows C drive, and type here shortcut form W script. Then you can find your virus. It will call BBS script, W script. Here you can see all the virus folders.